All right, so today we're going to be installing our Uponor angle stop valves. So for material, what we need is our quarter turn angle stops. We have our 1/2 inch ProPEX rings. And then we have our chrome escutcheon assemblies. And these are also available in white. And these will go together and we'll show you how these are installed here in a second. So the first thing from a system standpoint we need to make sure is that the pressure is off of our system and the water is turned off. So that way we don't have full pressure onto the system when we cut our plugs off. So we're going to cut off the hot plug first. And obviously if there's water in the system from pressure testing or from it being live, you're going to have a bucket here to drain some of this water down. On our system there is no water, so we're just going to go for it. So we're going to cut that off our plug. And then for purposes of the video, we don't have the drywall here, but let's imagine there's a piece of drywall here for our finished wall. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on our escutcheon plate first, and then the sleeve. And then to mark this for where our pipe needs to be cut off, is we're gonna make a mark right on the end of our sleeve, right there, so the pipe would be flush. We're gonna pull that back off and see our mark there. And we're going to make a nice square cut on our tubing. We're going to reinstall our escutcheons in our sleeve. And then you can see how the pipe is nice and flush right here on the end of this. We're going to take our ProPEX ring, which again it's directional. So one side has a stop edge on it and one side is a chamfer. So that goes on the end of our pipe like that. And we're going to take our expander tool with a 1/2 inch head and make our expansion here right inside of the escutcheon and the sleeve. So the sleeve is big enough to accept the expanded ring. So we can expand this right inside of that. And then we're going to take our stop valve and that's going to go right in the end like that. And then that's what the finished stop valve and escutcheon will look like. And then we're just going to repeat this on the cold side. So we're going to cut this off. Again, we're going to mark for our escutcheon and our sleeve here. We're going to reinstall the escutcheon in our sleeve. We're going to put our ProPEX ring on the end. Again, that can only go on one way. And we're going to expand this right inside of that sleeve. We're going to take our stop valve. That's going to go right in the end. Quarter turn off. And now we're ready to be able to hook up our supply lines to our fixture.